Hi guys, Fluff here from techbeatph.com and
Annyeonghaseyo! My name is Kathy from lifeiskulayful.com.
and we're here at Yes Please in BGC for the launch of the G7 ThinQ. What do we expect for the phone?
Well, this one is being endorsed by BTS, which we know has the strongest and biggest army in Korea. So if 7 members of that K-pop group believes in this product, you should too.
So do stick around and watch the video and see what's in store for you.
Annyeong!
Now again, we have the amazing people from LG right here to be able to talk to you about all the nitty-gritty stuff the LG G7 ThinQ has to offer. To start off, we have LG Philippines VP for Mobile Communications to give you a brief introduction on the LG G7 ThinQ. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Paul John.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Paul John. So I'm so happy to all of us today. So we are here today to celebrate new milestone LG premium mobile phone. So over the year, LG has constantly provided innovation and then also allow to not only just connect with the family, also other environment. So today, I really pleased to introduce to our G7 ThinQ for the new technology and the new design. So please see watching all our phone and then also the production introduction. So I'd like to introduce LG G7 ThinQ. Ladies and gentlemen, so let me give you the LG G7 ThinQ. Thank you.